Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Zurmo Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and you click on Allow and Install. Let's ignore this tab. Then you refresh your page. Then you head down to the custom page and the interface of the app is going to pop up, where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is in here. You have the smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. At the level of the setup, we have the configuration center. We are going to walk you through on how to configure and set up your app. Click on Start Setup and you enter all the information that is needed right here. The informations are the ones you got after creating your app online. So let's get the information and put in here. Then you click on Complete Setup. And there you go, your app has been successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and as well book a call with our support team. This is a changelog feature where you're going to see all the new updates and improvements made on this app. To receive notifications, toggle on the email notification button, you insert your email and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.